What's up, guys? Another Friday. We're gonna fry these suckers. And let me introduce you what we have here. We have a cam sensor right here. Came out of GMC Acadia. We got the ABS sensor right here. This came out of Toyota Sienna 2005. And then we have a TPMS sensor. This came out of GMC Canyon. This has a lithium battery inside. These are just the sensors. They probably got coiling, winding of wires in both of these. So we're gonna burn these suckers on. Like I said, they're no good, they're dead. Time to put them to rest. So rest in peace. I'm gonna get my torch, let me light it up. Guys, they're lit up, they're on fire. Don't try this at home, guys. I'm prepared and ready to do any type of thing I need to do just in case. Alright, and I think that's it. This is enough for these sensors. I'm gonna put out the fire. It's not gonna be easy, but I'll manage it. Had a battery inside and it blew up. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye. The sensor is so hot. There's the sensor, and see this that I dropped the other end. This was the battery. This is the battery. So the battery exploded, made a mess here. I'm gonna clean this up. Alright, and there's the sensors. They're done, finished. Again, don't try this at home. You know, these lithiums they're dangerous. They blow up. So there's the battery. This is just the shell that's left, and it was inside this right here. Right? Thank you. Subscribe, and if you like my videos, tell your friends, let them subscribe, and I will be bringing you a lot of other videos.